It's a Hero 8.
Oh, I got
Yeah.
the 9.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Right on. Yeah, nothing. Just dead. With a 10 mil. With a 13 flex head. Like this. With a 14. Okay, so our starter is going to be tucked up back here. We'll have to take this small tray off here, this little splash panel. We should be able to get behind here. There's our starter up in here. It's a little bit tight coming through here, so like I said, get that engine jacked up, but it shouldn't be too hard. We got a 13 for our power cable, signal wires, just a connector in there. And we've got two 14s here through the transmission. We finally got this loose here. This power wire. Make sure we get that nut off. Here we go. And also, there's a little washer too that goes with it. Right there. We're gonna get this nut here, and then there's one, see my laser here, maybe you guys can see it, that nut there. Okay, got that top one. Alright, we're using this extended flex head 3/8 snap-on ratchet with just one of the short 14 sockets. Alright, so we've got both of those bolts out, so the starter's loose in here now. Take my word for it, I'm going to leave it in there. And we're just going to get these two nuts off for this motor mount. There's another one right here. And then we'll just jack the motor up by the pan. It's an interesting plug. And we'll fish the starter out, then go grab the new one and throw it in. So I've got this jacked up here. Now you can see we've got quite a bit more space through here for the starter to come out, so I'm just gonna kind of wiggle it. It's gonna come kind of ass end first, so I'm gonna swing it around here, bring it that way. One more thing before I pull this out here, I want to show there's this so that battery wire right here where my green laser is. That thing's kind of a pain to get off of the stud of the starter solenoid, and what I had to do was just use a good old pick and go to town with it. So I got the starter out here, and this is the harness I'm talking about. You see it's kind of, there's no slack to it or nothing, it's just where it's supposed to be when it's cranked down. Kind of just twisted it down through this hole. You can kind of see how tight it is now that it's out, but pushed it up through and down and out. I'm not gonna put this one back in, but you can kind of get the gist of how it came out of there. Okay, one last thing I wanted to do here, just for warranty purposes and whatnot, is so we have the starter hooked up just as a bench test, and we will hit the signal here, signal wire, and yeah, I mean, this thing's just not turning over. It's clicking, But if I can try and get a better angle for you. You can see it engages, but it's just not spinning. Yep, bad starter for sure. All right, so we're back underneath. This is the new starter here. Got everything torqued down, connectors in place here, bolt torqued down. So we're all hooked up, all connected, and then we will hook this battery back up and see if we can get her to crank. All right, she's snug. She starts. Look at that. And the sun's coming out. Man, this dash is beat up. Mechanically, it doesn't look too bad, but that is just... Whew. See what you guys can see there. Like, that is crazy. Here too. What in the hell happened to this thing? We're getting a couple things here. That traction control could have been from starting it while the front end was up. So I'm just gonna look there. We might clear that out if that could be the case. ABS malfunction, low or high. I don't know if we would have set that, but okay. All good? Right on, man. Well, if you have any other issues, just give me a call. That's it.
I heard there was like a warranty on the starter or something. Is there like any type of paperwork I can have?
It's just through me.
Through you?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
anytime I need any type of service on the starter because there's a warranty, call you?
Yeah. So it's a lifetime warranty. Covers labor and the part.
Okay.
So if that starter ever goes bad again, just give me a call. Get it taken care of.
Thank you.
No problem, man. You take care.
You too.